Now coming to the certification part, which certification helped me to get a job? Okay, first thing I want to give the clarification. Just doing the certification, that doesn't mean you will get the 100% job. I already covered this in my previous video. Just doing the certification will never get chance to guarantee to get the jobs. Why? Because as I said earlier, you should have a good command over the communication skill and your technical skills. Okay, these are the two main factors, as I said. When still, if you want to do certification, or I want to suggest some uh, demanding certification. Basically, certification, if I explain, uh, in what situation certification will help out. Okay, if you are just college pass out student, or developer or any automation engineer, now do you want to move to these technologies like AWS cloud or any cloud or DevOps tools. Okay, so if you do in this situation, if you do the certification, then you will the employer will see, yes, this candidate has done certification, and he definitely he should aware, he might be aware of these tools and the services, how they works and all. They will judge you on based on your certification. In that situation, certification will definitely help out you to get the jobs. Okay, still, again, I want to say, you should have a good command over the communication skill and the technical skills. Okay, so for the AWS side, I would, if you are looking for the administrator side, like the DevOps or admin part, so I would suggest for the AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. This is the first level certification from the AWS side. There are one more certification as a foundation, the Cloud Practitioner. But as a DevOps engineer, you should not go with that. Who can go with that practitioner? So the marketing team or the BA basically, and the manager, if they just want to aware of the how the cloud works, which services, they can go with the practitioner. But if you're looking for the higher one, then you should definitely go with the associate level exam. Okay, then the second certification will be professional level. Okay, then the exam details, definitely there are for the AWS side, there are online and offline options to select the exam. Cost $150. Okay, then number of questions around 65 questions over there. Exam duration 130 minutes. It's approx 2 hours, 2 hours 10 minutes. Okay, score, passing score ideally they never disclose as a train from the their center. But it's according to the survey and some history, basically records, it's around 70 to 75% we need to get the marks to clear the certification. Okay, retake, there is no retake options are there. Okay, certificate validity 3 years. Then if you look at the another demanding certification, that is, we definitely click in the mind, with the symbols, that is Kubernetes certification, certified Kubernetes administrator. Okay, mode of exam obviously online. Okay, cost is a bit high, as a for the Kubernetes administrator, $395. Okay, then number of questions approx 17 questions, exam duration 2 hours, then passing score 65 to 66%. Okay, minimum. They here they will give the chance to retake the exam if you just fail in the examination. You can take one, they give the one retake options over there. Okay, certificate validity 3 years. Okay, I would suggest for the Kubernetes administrator, there is a offer, there will be offer every year. Like I'm not sure about the exact date, but I think November or December, there is a Black Friday seasons sales happens every years. So in that season, they will provide 50% discount. Okay, so if you are planning to do certification for the Kubernetes, then just look out the November or December months, or you can just go the Linux Foundation websites and subscribe to yourself to get the notification when the this Black Friday event happen. Okay, they will provide around 45 to 50% discount in that season. Okay, just grab that opportunity. Now apart from the certification, you should have, as I said, these other tools you should learn: Git, Jenkins for the deployments, Terraform for the infrastructure provision, for the monitoring tools, Grafana, CloudWatch, and Nagios. Okay. Now, importance of the communication skill, as I said, to get the jobs. Sometimes in the IT industry, you need to speak within your team or within a project level or a client side. Okay, you need to speak up. Okay, so if you have a good command or the communication skill, then you can able to express your thoughts and to the client or team members. Or sometimes you need to present yourself or any presentation related to technical stuffs or any other general stuff. So you should have a good communication skills. Okay. Then obviously, for the as a DevOps, the hot jobs in the IT industry currently, so you will get good amount of package. Actually, it's again depends company to company, project to project, and the company requirements. Okay. If company need any urgent candidate, and if you are available to join an immediate basis, and you have a good skill, then obviously you will get a good package over there. Okay. And if you are a freshers and you have a good communication skill and good command over the technical sides, then obviously you will get a approx. I'm not saying the 100% how much, but around minimum to 4 lakhs to maximum 7 lakhs up to. It's again depend company to company. Okay. Some good standard company gives more packages. Okay. It's again depends company. Okay. Now just if you look at the summary whole for the whole things, any degree you can do, you should have a good communication skill, and the technical skills. If you are a freshers and you want to do certification, definitely you can go with the Kubernetes and the AWS sites. Okay. Also, apart from this, you should learn other DevOps tools to have a good command and they build your career. Okay. Then obviously you should have a prepare well for the before the going to the interviews. Okay. You can collect the number of questions on any from the YouTube channels or any blogs, from any official sites, AWS or Kubernetes sites. You can collect the questions. You can just prepare for that, or you can do mock interviews with help of any IT professionals. As I said, I'm providing the mock interview service by using TopMate. Okay, so you can do. And then, so but why the mock interviews important or beneficial? Basically, because it's generate confidence, or where you have weakness, it will help you to identify your weakness, and you can learn on that part, and you can increase your confidence. Okay.